What's outside? What's outside?
It rained. Mom, can I open it?
Yes. Okay, sit down. Oops. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh my
Where is it?
gosh.
Oh, a craft? Oh my goodness, that is gonna be so fun. Let me see that real quick. Can you show mommy? Oh my goodness. Oh, spider web lacing. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Oh my gosh, a spider book.
Oh! Let me see, that's so fun. Okay, let's see, we have fierce eight-legged fighters. Ooh, creepy crawlies.
Oh my gosh.
What's this? Let me see. Sophie's Masterpiece. Oh, by Eileen Spinelli. I do feel like we have some books from her. She's a good one. Oh my goodness! What is this? I'm trying to love spiders. That is so cute. There's more?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, is this coveted clock?
A boy, a mouse, a spider. The story of E.B. White. Do you know who she is? She wrote a lot of famous books like Trumpet of the Swan, and there's another one people really love. There's a bunch actually. What do you say? Oh my goodness, a very special note from Miss Susie. Are you ready? It says, Once Upon a Storybook in a Box. Welcome to Once Upon a Storybook in a Box. We hope you will enjoy this specially curated selection of books and activities for 4 to 8-year-olds. How old are you?
5.
That's perfect for you. We call them early readers. Spiders are our theme for the month. These books will be a great start in helping your child appreciate spiders. Creepy crawly. Okay, let's see what she says. Sure, there are scary and poisonous spiders out there, but most spiders are our friends. After you show your child these entertaining fiction and nonfiction spider options, try a family read aloud of Charlotte's Web, E.B. White. That's E.B. White. That's right, Charlotte's Web. This is the perfect age for this childhood classic, and it will definitely soften up the most hardened spider hater. Oh, you want to do it?
Yeah.
What do you say to Miss Susie?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, I think it was a hit. I've almost killed myself.